Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to study in the United States of America but don't know where to start when searching for schools? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to use two of the best websites, Niche and Peterson's, to find the perfect university for you. Whether you're looking for schools based on rankings, tuition, locations, scholarships, or specific programs, this website makes the search process super easy. Stay tuned and let's get started. Here is the first website, guys. Niche. We have, if you're looking for K-12 schools, colleges, graduate schools, scholarships, and financial aid, places to live, you can check this out. So you can log in or sign up. So let's read this. Find the school that fits you. Finding the right school should not be hard. From K-12 to college to grad school, we make it easy to discover and connect with the best ones for you. Start your search. So if you're looking for K-12 schools, you click here. If you're looking for colleges, you click here. If you're looking for grad schools, you click here. So I'll go with grad schools. So it takes me to this page. We have find a graduate school or university and the location. So if you want all the universities in America, you type in America here. If you want by state, you type in the name of the state here. So we have graduate schools in America. Okay, let's see America. So these are all the graduate schools in America. You can check. The result is one of 2029 results. So you can check that out. These are the various universities in America: Harvard University, Princeton University, Duke University, Brown University, Columbia, University of Pennsylvania, Rice University, Northwestern University. These are all the universities in America. So let's make our work a little bit easy. Let's go by state. The first state, let's check. Okay, California. California State. Okay, so these are graduate schools in California. So these are the different graduate schools in California. This is Stanford University, California Institute of Technology, University of Southern California, University of California, Los Angeles, University of California, University of California, Santa Barbara, Santa Clara, University of California. All the universities in California, you'll find it here. So let's check one of the universities. So let's check Stanford University. Stanford University is a graduate school, Stanford in California. It has 51 reviews. So about the school, it's a private graduate school in Stanford, California, in the San Francisco Bay Area. It has graduate student body with an enrollment of 10,294 graduate students. Of the 80% graduate programs offered at Stanford University, 11 are offered online or through graduate distance education programs. 10% of its graduate students are part-time graduate students. So this is about the school. You can check it out. About Stanford University, this is their address, their website, and others. So we have graduate schools within Stanford University. These are the different programs they offer. School of Earth, Engineering, and Environmental Science, Stanford Graduate School of Business, Stanford Graduate School of Education. You can check that out. Next is their master's program. So these are the most popular master's program in that university. They have business analytics. 583 students are doing this. Computer science, 334 students. Civil engineering, 137 students, and more. You can check that out. Industrial management, 99 students. You can check that also for their doctoral programs. Most popular doctoral programs are law, medicine, electrical engineering. Law, 190 students. Medicine, 88 students. Electrical engineering, 67. So physics, others. Go check that out. So the graduate students, they have total graduate students of 10,294. Part-time grad students, 1,049. Research assistants, 2,284. Teaching assistants, 1,132. So racial diversity, internationals, which are non-citizens, make up 34.5%. Whites makes up 31.1%. Asians, 14%, and others. And check that out. Student life. What one word or phrase best describes the students at this university or at this school? driven 35%, down to earth 33%, friendly 19%, and others. You can check that out. What one word or phrase best describe your program? Competitive and intense 42%, prepared me for the real world 26%, supportive and help me grow 19%, and others. You can check that out. Find college scholarships. Let's check the scholarships. 2000 No AC scholarship by Sally. Oh, the deadline is 31st of March. If you're watching this video, you can grab that opportunity and apply. Amount is $2,000. You can view details here, then you apply. 50,000 scholarship or no AC scholarship. So amount 50,000, deadline again 31st March 2025. You can view details and you apply. So these are the various scholarships. So grab the opportunity and apply, guys. Fulbright US student programs, Matthew and Swift Educational Trust scholarships. These are all scholarships here. Oh, and their deadlines. Don't miss this opportunity. Check it out and give it a try. So that's it for scholarship. We move to professors. 82% of students agree that professors care about their students' access. 73% of students agree that professors are engaging and easy to understand. 79% of students agree that professors help connect them to future opportunities. So this is their return on investment. So Stanford overall niche grade, they have A+, which is good. In cost of living is a D, nightlife is A negative, crime and safety negative. So this is, you can check that out. The household income, median rent, median home value, you can check that out. So we have graduate schools like Stanford University, we have University of California, Berkeley, Harvard University, University of California, Los Angeles, Yale University. So these are the universities that are like Stanford University. So Stanford University reviews, we have 51 reviews, excellent 43, very good 5, average 2, poor 0, terrible 1. So you can go read out the different reviews from individuals, what others say about the university. So that's it for Stanford University. So you can do that with different universities, different states, and you find what suits you best. So you come here, click on the graduate school or college. You click here in which area. You give you everything. You scroll down, you go down, you check what about the school, the graduate school, master program, doctorate, graduate school, student life scholarship, professors, return on investment, living in the area, similar grad schools, and reviews. So that's one of the websites you can use in order to check a university in the United States of America. So this is the first website. It's called Niche. We move on to the next website. The second website, guys, is called Peterson's. Yes, it actually this is a website that I used in order to get my university. So it was really helpful and it's very easy to use. So you just come here. We have college prep, grad school prep, career prep, high school prep, military prep. So sign up now. Peterson's grad school search tool. It's not about the best grad program. It's about the best grad program for you. So you come here, you search, you can search by grad school, major, location, or keyword. Let's see. We have graduate school, discovery center. You can learn more about MBA programs, law schools, computer science schools, engineering schools, education schools, healthcare schools, and a lot more. So let's check out what this website has for us. So we come here, so we can type in grad school, measure, location, or keyword, and we search. So we can search maybe by state, you can search by measure, maybe you can just type in data science and it will give you all universities that offer data science. You can go by location or you can go by keyword. So let's search Maryland and see. Maryland, we click on search. So these are the different results. It's showing 1 to 20 of 667 graduate schools in Maryland. So yes, it guys, we have University of Maryland Global Campus and University of Maryland Global Campus. So University of Maryland School of Nursing. So these are the different universities in Maryland. Again, like the other website like Niche, it shows you all the universities in Maryland. or in a certain location that you're key in. So let's check this out. University of Maryland School of Nursing. So University of Maryland School of Nursing, Baltimore, MD. So it has 1,151 students. Overview, we have University of Maryland School of Nursing is located in Baltimore, MD. So these are the degrees and awards. They have degrees offered. They have Masters of Science or Masters of Business Administration, Masters of Science in Nursing, Masters of Science in Nursing, Masters of Science. So you can check out their different programs. These are them, doctoral, masters, and yeah. Then we have degrees awarded. This university award, master's degree number awarded 193, doctoral degrees 148, other advanced degrees 19. Earning your degree, part-time study available? Yes. Evening and weekend programs available? No. This university does not offer evening and weekend programs. Distance learning programs available? Yes. So you can also study online at this university. Terminal master's degree available? No. Next, degree requirements. So degree, master's degree requirement, entrance exam, non-applicable. Thesis required for some. Doctoral degrees, they have entrance exam for PhD programs. GRE is required for applicants with GPA lower than 3.25 or 4.0 scale or 4.01 on a 5.0 scale in the most recently earned degree. TOEFL 550 for paper-based test, 80 for the internet-based, IELTS score no less than band 7 total, exam requirement, thesis required, DN. So these are all the requirements for doctoral. Other advanced degrees, they have entrance exam non-applicable, thesis required for some. We move to admissions. Acceptance rate, 839 applied, 411 were accepted, enrolled 261, so they have 49%. Applying, application fee for domestic is $75. Electronic applications accepted, yes. Applications processed on a rolling basis, yes. Application deadline, so type 4 deadline is November 1st, for international students is July 29. Any priority deadline? No. Spring deadline, January 2nd, December 1st for international students. Summer deadline, September 1st. Priority deadlines? No. So, entrance requirement, exams, master's degree exam, non-applicable. Master's degree requirement, you need a bachelor's degree with major in nursing. An undergraduate cumulative grade point average of at least 3.0, application letters, recommendations, essay, RN license, official doctoral degree exam. These are the requirements. So this website gives you everything: doctoral requirement, additional requirements, international students, exams. So TOEFL is required. IELTS is also required. TOEFL paper score 550, TOEFL IBTS score 79. They even have a place where you can practice in order to improve your scores. Is this not wonderful, guys? So let's go to tuition and fees. Financial award applicants must submit FAFSA. This is for the American citizens. Application deadlines for financial awards should be June 1st. So these are the types of financial support available at this university. They have fellowships, research assistantship. This is beautiful. Teaching assistantship, healthcare benefits, scholarship or loans, trainerships, graduate assistantship, federal work study, financial support for part-time. So these are the various and different scholarships they offered here. Student body, 1,155 total graduate students, 1% international breakout. Race and ethnicity, we have Hispanic, Latino 6.95, Black or African American 23.81% makes up the population. So you can check that out. There are faculty 255 total, faculty full-time 130, part-time 125, male 24, female 231. So focus of faculty research, this is where they focus their research mostly on chronic pain in humans and animals. Go read out this. I don't want the video to be that long, so you can go read this out. External sponsor research expenditure last year was 9,102,596. So this was the external sponsored research for last year. 9,102,596. Guys, Isn't that wonderful? So location and contact, here is their address and contact number. So that's it for University of Maryland School of Nursing. This is for those interested in doing nursing. Those interested in doing nursing, go check this out. So that's it. This website is very easy to use. You just come here, type in your maybe type in a state or type in a program, type in any keyword, and it's going to show you different results. You come and check out whatever you're looking for, and that's it, guys. Very easy and very swift. And there you have it, guys. Now you know how to use Niche and Peterson's to find the best schools in the United States of America based on your preferences. Remember, research is key when choosing the right university. So make sure to put in enough time, compare options, and find the best fit for you. Key takeaways: use Niche for student reviews, rankings, and program details. Use Peterson's for scholarships, admissions info, and test scores requirements. Make a short list and compare universities before applying. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more tips on studying in the United States of America. Share this video with anyone who is searching for schools in the US. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.